chewing on? Is that your thumb? You telling everybody how much you like your new jeans. Look at these guys. They're a little big on you. It's okay. Room to grow. Want to say goodbye to everyone? I couldn't have said it better.